In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then choose Connection and Sharing. Click Print over here and tap on one of your print services you wish to use. I will go with my default one, so I have to click here. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, this time go into default print service, enable it, and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Add Printer. Tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and choose Add for your device to find it. Or if your printer is supporting Wi-Fi direct printing, enable this option by clicking on gray switcher next to it. Select Allow in the pop-up for it to work. Tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers and wait for your device to find it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!